Hi Swati, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too, dear. Here we are looking each other for the first time, no? On the screen.
Yes, we are looking first time.
Okay, Swati. So
Meeting
I
first
want a
time.
short introduction from your side.
Yes,
Anything
sure.
general. Yeah.
Okay. Firstly, thank you to giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Swati More. Basically, I'm from Karnataka,
Okay.
but currently I'm staying in Mumbai.
Oh,
Uh,
I am also from
and
Mumbai.
oh
Yeah.
wow, yes. Apart from that, I'm studying in Mumbai University, and drawing is my hobby. Drawing,
Okay.
painting, listening music is my hobby. All things gives me happiness.
Okay. So apart from studying, you are interested in drawing and paintings.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you prefer more? You like,
Obviously drawing,
of course.
paintings.
Okay.
Yes.
So is that what makes you really happy and you consider that to be your happiest part of your life?
Yes.
Okay, so I feel happiness is the really nice topic for us to talk, isn't it?
Yes, it's right topic to start.
Okay, so shall we begin with happiness? I'll be asking you a few questions. You will have to simply answer me. If you go wrong, you do not have to judge yourself. I will be correcting you. Okay,
Yes,
shall
yes,
we start?
sure. Yes.
I am being little personal to you. I am going to ask you something that are you happy?
No,
Really?
because yes,
Okay.
because I'm not happy. Due to
Wait.
excess.
Because I'm not happy is incorrect. You say I am not happy because. Because is never in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, because should come in between. Okay, that's
Okay.
conjunction. Yeah.
Yes. Due to excess negativity around us and pandemic concern, no college, we are locked in our home. That's why I'm not happy. We are
Oh,
not enjoying.
right. So you feel if you go to college, you enjoy more.
Yes.
Okay, so you are missing your friends, right?
Yes.
So you have some best friends also.
Yes, I have.
Okay. So can you tell me when was the last time you were happy as you are not happy today? When was the last time you were happy? Before pandemic or somewhere nearby?
Somewhere nearby, when I was painting last time, I got appreciated. That time I was happy. While painting, I feel I was in my own world. That
Okay.
makes me happy.
That makes me happy is incorrect. That makes me happy. Okay. That's S is not there. That is incorrect. That makes me happy. And at the beginning, you said when I was painting. If it is something what you have already done, you have to say when I had painted. When I had painted last time. Okay. You got appreciated.
Okay.
And if you're telling me this, I really love to see your sketch someday. You do sketching or you do basic drawings?
I do both
Oh, really?
sketching and painting also. Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Then someday definitely I want to see your sketches and drawing. You share it to me, okay, someday.
Yes,
And
yes, sure.
apart from that, I want you to answer me that apart from painting, you said that painting gives you happiness. You are very happy when you're painting. But apart from that, is there any other thing that makes you happy apart from painting?
Yes, my favorite people.
Okay.
That is my parents and my few friends who
Okay.
care for me. Who care for me.
Okay. So those friends you miss from college, are those these friends whom you
Yes.
miss? Oh, okay. So you please tell them that you're recording it here and you share it to them so that they'll see and they'll get happy that Swati is missing them. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me that is happiness important?
Yes, it is. It has many benefits related to health, relationships, every single things we do in our life because things it will lead to happiness. I feel that if a person is happy from within, he will be more
More
successful in his
success.
life,
Right.
and we can achieve our goals in our life.
Okay.
That's why happiness is important.
If it is so important, why are you not happy? Why did you simply say me that no, I'm not happy? You should have said no, you are happy. Circumstances are there today, but they will pass on. Someday everything will be all right. This pandemic will be there, all gone someday, right? So
Yes.
I expect you also to be happy from today onwards.
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell me that if a person does not stay happy, if he remains happy for a very long time, what might could happen to him? Is there any ill effect of happiness if person is staying unhappy?
Yes, people may suffer from disease such as depression,
Yeah, right.
stress,
Right.
anxiety. So happiness is important, I feel.
Okay. Apart from that, happiness comes only for this thing?
Yes.
I mean to ask you is, if a person is not happy, he might suffer from diseases. He might go under depression, anxiety, but there are some outcome of this. Do you know about them? That if a person is depressed for a long time, if you remember the case of just year back, there was a case of committing suicide, right? So people
Right.
tend to commit suicide also.
Yes.
this
Right.
this
You are
is
saying right.
this is a major ill effect of not staying happy. See, happiness has to do so much with person's life, isn't it?
Yes.
So can you give me some points? I'm asking you as an advice that how can a person find true happiness?
I feel happiness is found in every moment. Whatever we do in our life, if we like it, happiness will we will found it.
We will
Okay.
find
Stay.
happiness. Not found, we will find. If you are using will, which means that you have not done it yet, but you will be doing it. No, you will find happiness,
Yes.
not found. Okay, that's past. Yeah.
Okay. Stay away from negativity is our choice.
Staying away from
Right.
negativity. Stay away from negativity
Staying.
is again incorrect. You have to use staying away from
Staying.
negativity is our choice. Okay, we decide whether to stay happy or to say stay
Yeah.
sad. Yeah.
Yes. Right.
Continue. I want you to hear
Yes.
more from you. You are here to learn, my dear. Please say something.
Yes.
So these are the two ways you can find happiness.
Yes.
But I like talking to you. And I feel that's the happiest part of my life. I like coming online, talking to people, which I'm doing it right now. And this makes me happy. So I feel a person, if a person is doing something which he likes on a daily basis and he enjoys that moment, he would find happiness. And I feel it is more important than money. Do you feel so? Do you agree?
Yes, I am agree. Money is not important. Uh, Happiness is important
Money
for
is
me
important, but not more than happiness,
more
actually.
than happiness.
So
Yes.
I am agrees incorrect. Okay, I agree. I am is not coming here. I agree. Okay, I agree to your point like this. All right. So happiness is important, not more than money, but money is equally important. We need money to survive, isn't it?
Yes.
What do you think? Money is needed or not? You're studying for what? To earn well, no?
Money is important.
Of
Yes,
course.
both is important, but happiness is more important,
Okay, so
I
here
feel.
I found both is important. Now, if you are saying both, what it should be? Both is important instead of is what it should be there. Both are important. Okay, whenever you are asking for plural sentences, no, both are important. Okay, whenever it is
Okay.
single, it is. Whenever plural, both are important.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
Swati, so I really liked talking to you here. What
Yes.
else to add? Do you want to say anything apart from happiness from my question? Do you want to ask anything or you want to say people? Because this is a recorded session and this will go to maximum people. Do you
Yes.
want to?
I think uh, uh, if anyone in depressed or stress, what should he will do that make happy? What about you?
Okay, you're asking me.
Yes,
Okay, you're asking me that if a person is staying depressed, what he should do in order to get rid of unhappiness, right?
yes.
I want you to repeat this first, then I'll tell you the answer.
Can you repeat again?
It means you have not heard me properly. Okay, I
Yes.
said if a person is depressed, I want you to say it in my tone. Okay, if a person is depressed, what he needs to do in order to get rid of unhappiness?
Okay.
Try.
Okay. If a person is depressed, staying depressed, uh, what
What he needs to do
what he needs to do
in order to get
in
rid
order to
of, in order to get
get rid
of
of
unhappiness.
unhappy
I'm sorry, in
okay,
order to get rid of unhappiness. Yeah, actually, right. So,
unhappiness.
according to me, I feel from my own perspective, I'm saying I am not unhappy. I'm a very happy person. I actually avoid doing things which makes me unhappy. I do what I like. And when I'm doing what I like, there is no question of unhappiness, right?
Yes.
So this is what is the answer. Whatever we do, we should feel that we are liking that thing. Only then we can stay happy, isn't it? So I feel this much was enough for today's session on
Yes.
this channel. So anything you want to say from our side, from our session? Did you like it or not? Anything you want to add?
I wanted to say that you are very friendly.
Okay.
I like this session.
Oh,
I
thank
like
you.
this session. I wanted to talk to you more.
That's again wrong. I wanted to talk to you. I'm still there, no? I want to talk to you more.
In next session.
Yeah, in next session. This
Say
is
in
what I'm
next
saying.
session.
If you want to talk
Yes.
to me, I wanted is wrong. You will have to say, I want to talk to you in more sessions, in next session. Or else you can simply say, I am looking forward to attend more sessions with you. Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
even I want to add something that Swati, you are compassionate about learning. You would learn slowly. Do not hustle and try learning everything in a short span. Take your time, go slowly and religiously. Everything will be fine. Okay, you will be fluent one day. I'm happy that you're coming in front of camera and talking to people. People are mostly scared of it and they don't like coming here. But that's true that you have taken a chance and you have come here. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to talk to you in next many more sessions. Okay, and I would love to
Yes.
see you getting improved one day.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll see you in the
Okay.
next class then.
Yes. Sure.
Okay, chalo then. Good night. I'm saying, look. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good.